Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving in the factory method pattern in C#. This pattern is a game changer for creating objects dynamically while keeping your code clean, scalable, and maintainable. We'll build a notification system that supports email, SMS, and push notifications, and I will explain everything step by step. Stick around till the end to see the code in action and understand why this design pattern is so powerful. Let's get started. Imagine you are building an app that sends notifications. Right now, you have three types: email, SMS, and push notifications. But what happens when the requirements change? Maybe you need to add WhatsApp notifications or even Slack alerts. If your code is hard-coded to create these objects directly, you will end up with messy and scalable code that's hard to maintain. This is where the factory method patterns comes in. It decouples the object creation process from your main code logic, making it easy to add new features without breaking everything. Let's have a look to the example. We start with a common interface that all notification types will implement. These ensure a consistent contract. Each notification must have a send method. Next, we create concrete classes for each notification type. Each class implements the iNotification interface and defines its own send behavior. Notice how each class is self-contained. This is important because it keeps the behavior of each notification type separate and easy to manage. Now we create an abstract factory class. This class defines a method, createNotification, that's responsible for creating notification objects. The abstract keyword means this class can't be instantiated directly. It's just a blueprint for the concrete factories. We then create specific factories for each notification type. These factories inherit from the notification factory and implement the creation notification method to return the right object. Finally, let's see how we use these factories in the main program. Instead of directly creating notification objects, we rely on the factories. Here, the factories handle object creation, so the main code is clean and extensible. If we want to add a new notification type, like WhatsApp, all we need to do is create a WhatsApp notification class and the corresponding factory. The rest of the code remains untouched. Let's run this code and see what happens. Here is the output. As you can see, each factory creates the correct object dynamically, and the notifications are sent as expected. No mess, no hard coding, just clear, scalable code. So, why use the factory method pattern? Scalability. Adding new notification type is easy. Just create a new class and factory. No need to touch existing code. Decoupling. The main logic doesn't depend on the specific notification implementations. Readability. The code is clean and initiative, making it easier for teams to collaborate and maintain. And that's it. A real-world example of the factory method pattern in action. It's one of those design patterns that seems simple but has a huge impact on your code quality. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more design pattern tutorials, and share this with your developer friends. Got questions or ideas for the next video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.